All right, you guys got the quiz up?
Yes.
All right, so the first one, we had assumed that the standard deviation was known this lesson. Now it's unknown. That one was easy. All right, is sigma known? That would be no, right?
No, yeah.
Okay. We have the not the population standard deviation, it's the other thing. Oh, the value of t. We can do that. I just read it, what is the value of it? And I was like, do you mean sigma? Because it's not known. That's the point. All right, I got 1.5.
Yeah.
Anybody else sure?
Yeah, so
Sorry, I didn't have a calculator, so I'm good now for the rest.
Oh, okay, no, you're fine. That one was just like basically the z-score formula, but not quite. So
Yeah, pretty close.
that's easy. Okay, so I have the Excel one pulled up for this. I really don't like SPSS, and I don't know how to use it for the most part, so I try and stick with the Excel ones.
I think she said something like Excel, it might give you a different answer, though, is the only thing.
Yeah.
Like, because I was out of it too, but I like had my husband tell me eventually.
Yeah. Is X bar one of the numbers that it gives us?
it should, yeah. I think in the last tutorial it did, at least on SPSS.
Maybe Excel's gonna let me down.
Yeah.
Is it just the mean though? Did you guys finish it yet?
Just
No, I
Okay.
Yes.
Because it just gives me one answer for the mean, so I don't know if that's the X bar. I think it is. But I wanted to make sure.
And when we're trying to look for the X bar, is that it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
X bar and then S and then the T score and the P value.
Okay, everything.
Yeah.
I wonder if it is just the mean from before, just because I don't know. Like, I'm looking through the notes and I don't know if there was anything different on this one for that.
Mm-hmm.
What did you get for your X bar?
I ended up getting 98.22.
Yeah.
Is that what you got on yours too?
Yeah, I got 98.25.
25. I wonder if these quizzes have like a certain amount of rounding error already factored in.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's super close.
But it seems like we probably got it right.
Yeah, it seems like we're within the
Yeah.
3 places.
For SPSS, did you just go to analyze and then what was the next thing for this one that you went on to for SPSS?
Descriptive statistics, and then explore.
Okay.
And then S is the standard deviation just of this, right?
Yeah.
Like not the population, but the set. I don't know what the words is, but
Mhm.
for that one I ended up getting 0.922.
You got 98.22 for right the X bar, sorry.
Yeah, 98.22 for X bar.
Yeah, I missed one of them, so that's why I ended up getting.
Oh, okay. So you did end up getting the same thing. That's
Yeah, I thought I was missing one. Yeah, 98.22. Yeah.
good. Okay, perfect.
And you got for the S. What did you end up getting, sir?
I think it's 0.922.
922. Yeah, that's what I ended up getting
Oh, good. This is going well.
so far.
Okay. And then the T score, I got negative 1.843.
Let me see that one. So test value Is it just 0 still? We don't know.
I don't know. Which one is that? Like, what's the number of that? The test statistic was something specific.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, it's the T-score, right?
Yeah.
Show it on mine. Does it show it on yours, Brandon?
So you have to go to compare means and analyze and do one sample T.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't. What did you end up getting, Andrea, for your T-score?
I did that, and it's still, oh wait, negative, wait, no, that's not it. Yeah, it's still not. So you went to analyze, and then
Compare means?
compare means, and then the one sample t-test.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on that right now, and it's, I don't see where the t-score is.
Do you guys have the p-value figured out yet, or is that in a different place?
Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out this.
Okay.
What did you end up getting for your p-value?
My p-value, I got 0.04.
Yeah, let me check if it's...
Do you know if, like, it says round to 3 decimal places, but on a couple of them, like the third decimal place is a 0? Should I put the 0?
I don't...
I'm not really sure how that works. I did put the 0, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
I bet you did. What did you get for t-score again, Haley?
I got negative 1.843.
I have no idea where.
It's negative 1.834. Is that what you got?
843.
843.
Yeah.
I can't find it, so I'm just
Yeah, I
gonna...
have no idea.
I don't know. The Excel one just said it all at once, so it was all up when I put them in the first time. But
Maybe Excel does work better.
yeah, at least for this one, I don't know.
know.
Yeah. And then that p-value, I got 0.040.
Did you find p-value on there, Brendan?
No, I didn't. I don't... I looked at the tutorials for this, but I can't seem to find it still.
Even the notes. It says
0.044?
0.040.
Or
If
there.
you want to put the 0, I don't know how that works. Okay, and that would be rejecting the null hypothesis because the fancy A was 0.05.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. The only thing I haven't figured out is like it won't let you copy and paste out of these quizzes, so I have to manually type in the numbers.
Takes a while.
It's really annoying.
So these are from like baby boom.
Hmm.
Let's see.
I don't know what that means. So, do you guys know in Excel it says like 1.97 and then it has E negative 0.07?
Hmm.
I don't know exactly what that means.
What's it saying that for? It's just
For the p-value. So
Oh.
I don't know if that means like it's scientific notation and there's 7 zeros on the other side. Maybe I could Google it. Okay, I figured it out. So it is just that it's really, really small. So do you know how you would write the p-value? Because if you only did it to 3 decimal places, it's still just 0.
Okay.
Because like in the videos, it said, like, you know, just say close to 0, but we can't enter that. So I think it's 7 zeros and then there's a 1. So
oh my gosh.
it's very small.
So just be 0.000.
I guess. Either way, we're for sure that we're rejecting the null hypothesis, so that's good. Oh, well, I guess this is just less, not less than. It would be, let me make sure that's right. I broke everything. Aha. Okay. That changed the p-value a little bit, but it would still just be zeros, so didn't matter. Okay. So if we were to do less than, instead of just the not equal to, the p-value goes down. Mm-hmm.
And for 11, are we just putting 0.000?
That's what I did.
Yeah, because it was so far.
And then I guess if it's wrong, we'll figure it out there. But I wouldn't know how to enter it into here in scientific notation. So
No.
I don't think that would be right either.
Okay.
And then, but we would still reject the null hypothesis for 14 because it's still super small. Oh gosh, I don't remember how to do this.
Lower limit.
Was that just like a completely different Excel document?
I think so.
The lower limit and upper limit.
Yeah.
Is it just the same as we were doing in the last
Maybe
section?
the 95% confidence level from the mean, is that what it is?
Maybe. Oh, wait, it's already on where I was. So, confidence interval. Confidence level is 95%. So, are we still using the numbers for the less than 40? And that was the last thing we did, so probably.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so in that case, I would have that the lower limit would be 23.499, and the upper limit would be 56.597. But
597, is that what you got?
no, 597.
Oh, 597.
Actually, hold on. We might have done the last since like question 11 just a little bit wrong, because that null hypothesis should have been changed to 40. It changes everything. So hold on. So that one's not equal to. Okay, go back to question 11.
Okay.
There was the null hypothesis was still on 98.6 from the
Oh, from the previous one?
the other one, yeah, so that needed changed. So instead, the p-value, and it's not equal to, right? Yeah, so the p-value should be 0.995, which makes a little more sense. In that case, we would fail to reject the null hypothesis for 12. Okay, but 13 is still right. It would decrease. But the p-value would still be, so then you would fail to reject the null hypothesis for 14. But then it looks like the confidence intervals are the same. Yeah, those are both the same. So let's submit that and see where we are. Oh, we got all of them right, guys.
Okay, so
Yeah,
I'm have to play around with SPSS.
I would, I mean, at least for this, I would just use Excel, because like in the textbook, it said what to do in Excel, which I think it has for.
yeah, and it obviously was working.
Everything
So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For now, it's okay. I'm sure at some point there will be something that like is absolutely only in SPSS, but
For now, you're good.
for now, I'm really surprised we got all those right. Okay.
It's a good thing you caught number 11 and everything.
Right? It's like that number that you have to change is just in like a weird spot that doesn't seem like it matters, so you just forget that it's there and then you're like, dang it.
Yeah. One little number. Sweet.
Okay, I guess I can stop the broadcast.